Hey people, happy Wednesday from me to you. It's Maggie again. Thank you guys once again for joining us. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what to do with this four wonders recipe. Yes, this four recipe has worked wonder for me and is a very easy recipe, but the result is magical. If you want to see what to do with this four recipe, sit back and watch this video to the end.
You make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, one love. And then I say
Oil, onions. These onions is what I've peeled and sliced here. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'll be using 2 drops of vitamin E and Vaseline. I'll be using 1 spoon. So, as said before, this is olive oil. Pan and pour the one spoon of olive. Pour the onions. So we will be turning it. Normally somebody you can as well grate the onions inside the oil, or you can grate it, but in this video it's really too easy to grate it. Just only for even turning it, you can feel the heat to the eyes already. So now I'm going to put one teaspoon. This is Vaseline. 1 teaspoon Vaseline. Inside. So I'm going to let it dry. Really allow the onions to So you can see now it's really brown now. So the onion has been mixed inside. So what I do now is let it dry inside. I think it's starting to burn now. So we don't need it to be burned. So we just need this oil. That's all. So now I'm going to add 2 drops. 1, 2, 2 drops of the but first of all, I need a filter and a plate. So I will advise use plates that you know that this type of pot. I always advise work with a wooden spoon or with a wooden object on it. Never ever use so. So guys, this is the outcome. It really got thickened very fast. So this is the outcome of the magic cream. This cream can help your eyelashes to grow very fast, can help your eyebrow to grow, and you can also apply it to your edges as well. It can make your hair to grow very fast. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and I promise I'm going to be showing another video where I will apply this cream. Here. Okay guys, I want to say thank you so much for sitting back and watching this video. This magic recipe has worked wonders for me, and I know if you try it, you're going to thank me later. If you have tried onions and vitamin E oil with Vaseline before, please share your opinion with me on the comment section. I would love to read from you, and I would love also to know your experience about this wonder recipe. You know, because many of us, we are so addicted to eyelashes, to all of that. Sometimes when you really want to be natural, the hair is not really as long as your fixed eyelashes, but with this cream it has helped me a lot, and I promise myself I'm not going to let this wonder recipe go like that. So that's why I decided to share with every one of you watching me now. So guys, try to give it a try and share your experience with me on the comment section. So when it's like this, you can use your mascara brush to apply it to your eyebrow, to your eyelash. I'm sorry, sometimes the word is always failing. So you can as well use it also to your eyelash. It makes it grow. This growth I'm talking about is not the kind of growth that you have to wait forever or you wait for months. This growth is wonder, automatic. When you start to use it, within 3 to 7 days you can already see the difference. I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be doing another video as well to show you guys how to really apply it. You see, now it's really thickened. Yeah, you cannot even see the oil anymore, but it's still a little bit warm. So when you really want it to be thickened fast, you can put it in your fridge, in the refrigerator, so it will just be thick very fast. So this, I'll be using the old brush of empty mascara. You wash out the mascara away. You can use it to apply this oil to your eyelash, to your eyebrow, to your edges, any part of your body you want the hair to grow fast. This is the magical recipe, the wonder recipe. Okay guys, so let me close it now. I want to put it in my refrigerator so that it can be thickened very well. Why? Because now we are in hot summer in Germany. Sometimes we have over 40 degrees. It's really warm, so I don't want it to be melt again from the heat and somebody can mistakenly pour it away. So I always do it. I do this recipe, this oil, once in 2 weeks, sometimes once in a month, because we don't really need much to apply. I use for my eyelashes and for my eyebrow only. My edges, they are all still intact. I've also done a special hair mask on how to make your hair grow and look silky. I will also put the link on this video. So guys, for now I say thank you so much for watching. My next video will be the application of this special recipe. Stay blessed, stay protected. See you guys next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Till then, I remain your man. Bye bye.